Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Art by Mouli. I hope all are good. Today I am paint a beautiful tree fabric painting. I am using a handmade paper for this painting. If you have canvas, you can use this. First of all, use light blue color if you don't have. So take a Prussian blue and white color, mixed it and make a light blue color. Color it like circle motion. So for this painting I am using camel fabric color. Now I am using light blue color and light green color and mixed it. For blending fabric or acrylic color, every time use big brushes like brush number 8 or 10. Of course it is a painting brush, not a toothbrush. Now use white color and light blue color, then mixed it. Always use dry big brush for blending colors. Take little bit of water for easy to blend colors. Now take white color and mixed it on paper. This is not a too much hard or too much difficult for paint fabric or acrylic painting. It's easy to blend, easy to make when you do it. Background color is complete. Now time to paint a tree. Take a black fabric color and make a beautiful tree and follow my every step and start painting. I hope everyone like this painting. Everything is depend on practice. So practice will improve your everyone's skill. So start painting and thank you for watching.